Today we are going to learn about lattice method. This we have already learned in the grade 3 for 3-digit number. So now we are going to learn for 4-digit number how to find out the product using the lattice method. So since it is a 4-digit number, I have drawn 4 columns and 3-digit number in the multiplier I have drawn 3 rows. We'll write the numbers first. On top of the column you have to mention the numbers. That is a 5,600, 7 tens, 6 ones. And when it comes to a multiplier, you can write it in the side. That is a 100, 2 tens, 3 ones. So after that, you have to make a partition inside all the boxes. I believe all of you know why we are making this partition. In a general method, we used to carry over the product which we have got. But in a lattice method, since we could not carry over, we have to write it on the top. So this is for ones place and this is for tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. That is a 3 ones. 3 6 are 18. So I will write 8 here and 1 tens here. 3 sevens are 21. So I write 1 here and 2 tens here. And 3 6 are again 18. So I write 8 here and I write 1 10 here. 3 5s are 15. So I write 5 here and 1 10 here. After that, we'll go with the 2 tens. 2 6 are 12. So 2 down and 1 10 on top. 2 sevens are 14. 4 down and 1 10 on top. 2 6 are 12. So 2 down, 1 10 on top. 2 5s are 10. 0 down and 1 10 on top. After that, we'll multiply with this one. 1 6 are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 6 are 6. 1 5s are 5. If there is a no number, you don't want to put anything. So we have complete the product. In a general way, first after we completed the multiplication, we used to add the products. In the same way, here also we are going to add it. But make sure and listen this properly. We are not going to add in a standing line way. We are going to add it in a slanting line way. Like this. So here 8, here 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, and here this way 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. For 21, I will put 1 down and I carry over the 2 here. So now 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So I put 8 down and I carry over 1 here. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 0 also 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So I will write 9 down. After that, I have to add this to 5 plus 1, 6. So here your product of the problem is 6,98,148. Your product is 6,98,148. You will get the same product when you are solving the problem using the normal long multiplication method also. This method is only for you to make the problem easy and solve it in an easy way. So it doesn't give us different values of products. It will give us same product when you are solving the using the both method also. You can check it using the round multiplication method in the same